On February 13, SP North के मेल में we got a complaint regarding one Japanese national being cheated and robbed of money. So we initially conducted an inquiry, and in the Twitter handle of SP North, the person himself, the complainant is Tatsuki Teramoto, he raised this issue saying that he was robbed by some people after befriending him. 18th February ko, we registered a case in Anjuna police station because the allegations raised were in the area of Anjuna police station. कंप्लेंट में ये एलेज किया था कि द जापानीज पर्सन जो है तात्सुकी तेरामोटो, ही केम टू गोवा में ही बिकेम फ्रेंड्स विथ टू पीपल नेम्ड एज राजू एंड रोमी. राजू एंड रोमी ने इनको एक सिल्वरवुड अपार्टमेंट्स में लेके गया. दे बिकेम वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड्स इन अ वेरी शॉर्ट स्पैन ऑफ टाइम. इनफैक्ट in the complaint, it is mentioned that they smoked marijuana, and on December 28, the third or fourth day when they met, suddenly they created a false drama in which police people have come there to arrest them, and threatened the complainant that police will arrest unless and otherwise we pay the money. In fact, the accused people also were participating in the drama which was scripted by them itself. Some people came to the scene acting as police officers in civil and started threatening them. और ये complainant के जो credit cards और cash इन्होंने निकाल दी. तो all the credit cards were used and the credit card से पैसा एक्यूज पीपल ने ले लिया. फिर उसके बाद ये कंप्लेनेंट को दे ओनली द एक्यूज्ड ओनली बुक्ड द टिकट्स बैक एंड उसको कंप्लेनेंट को वापस भेज दिया. तो कंप्लेनेंट वाज एक्चुअली नॉट एबल टू कॉन्टैक्ट द पुलिस. इनफैक्ट वंस ही हैड रीच्ड समवेयर ऑन द वे ही कुड हैव कॉन्टैक्टेड द पुलिस. आफ्टर ही रीचेस जापान, he actually gives a complaint through email and through the Twitter handle. Immediately once we registered the FIR, we created 4 teams. एक अंजना पुलिस स्टेशन की टीम हुआ था, फिर क्राइम ब्रांच के 3 इंस्पेक्टर्स की टीम डीवाईएसपी सूरज के अंडर और डीवाईएसपी एसडीपीओ मापसा जिब्बा के अंडर एक टीम हमने 4 टीम बनाया. We traced the people. One issue which we faced was like complainant was repeatedly raising the issue in Twitter and sharing the photos of the accused, because of which the accused also were alerted and they tried to go underground. वो जहाँ पे वे रहते थे वहां से वो underground चले गए and they started moving to different cities. So we had to send 3 teams to 3 different cities. One team was sent to Cochin. Lakshi went to Cochin. One team was sent to Chennai and one team was sent to Jaipur. जब चेन्नई में एक टीम पहुंचा, चेन्नई में जो एक्यूज था ही लेफ्ट चेन्नई एंड वेंट टू जयपुर. सो फाइनली वी कुड ट्रैक द पीपल फ्रॉम जयपुर. कोचिन से एक बंदा अप्रेंड किया, ट्रांसिट रिमांड करके इनको अभी लेके आया. 2 लोग जो राजू और रूमी है उनको जयपुर में हमारा टीम दिनेश गडेकर, पीआई दिनेश गडेकर के टीम ने वहां पे अप्रेंड किया. वहां पे ट्रांसिट रिमांड करके दे आर ऑन द वे. So once they come here, we will interrogate them and we'll give further details. Yeah, see that only one detail which we got is like there is a Silverwood apartments. Silverwood apartments में the mastermind है. He used to take these apartments on rent. और फिर ये जो है राजू रोमी करके जो लोग हैं, जो लोगों को जो इंग्लिश में अच्छे बात करते थे उनको बुलाते थे टू बिफ्रेंड द टूरिस्ट. और उनको बोलते हैं कि मतलब आप अपने अपार्टमेंट्स इधर आ जाओ, हम लोग इधर मतलब वी विल हैव पार्टी एंड ऑल. फिर उनको लेके आके दे यूज टू डू दिस मॉडस। एज ऑफ नाउ हमारे नोटिस में जो आया अभी एक फॉरेनर है, एंड आई थिंक दे टारगेट द पीपल हु आर वेरी गल्लिबल, so irrespective of what their nationality is.
This is a good apartment of this place.
Surely.
So they have spent a lot of time in Goa.
They actually, if at all we say, they used specifically came for this purpose. December के आसपास ये लोग आया because there is a tourist season. December में आया. Then after that incident, they actually vanished.
They had only one target.
My see. In almost entire country knows कि गोवा का टूरिस्ट सीजन क्या होता है. Even if you see, when the tourist sunburn के टाइम में we have arrested lot of thieves, 100 के आसपास हमने मोबाइल्स रिकवरी किया था. So they specifically targeted that tourist season. Based on report, my appreciation to Sneha as well. She was in regular contact with the complainant, because of which we were able to give the details. In fact, Twitter may also, he is in regular contact with me as well. Because of that, we were able to get further details. There was a good cooperation from the complainant, except for the fact that he made the photos viral in the social media, which alerted the accused people. So we are in contact. I have already apprised him. Okay, and he got the FIR through our email, and he is using that for whatever claim, whatever is required, and we will inform him also that the accused has been arrested.